What if the worst thing that ever happened to you was actually the most important thing that ever happened to you? Not in a toxic positivity way, not just think happy thoughts, but in the real, provable, science-backed way, that everything that felt like a setback was actually the universe setting you up. Here's what nobody tells you about pain and struggle. Your nervous system cannot tell the difference between a threat and a challenge unless you decide which one it is. Every setback is a signal, not a stop sign, but a redirect. The problem isn't what happened. The problem is the story you're telling about what happened. There are 3 truths I want you to sit with today. Truth number 1, resistance is information. Every time something blocks your path, it's revealing what you actually want. Pain points the way. What you avoid tells you exactly where your growth is waiting. Truth number 2, timing is not your job. We suffer most when we demand that things happen on our schedule. The tree doesn't argue with winter, it just prepares. Your season is coming, but not because you forced it. Truth number 3, you are not broken. You are being forged. Steel doesn't become a sword by staying comfortable. Neither do you. The fire you're in right now, that's not punishment, that's preparation. I want to tell you about a moment in my own life when everything fell apart at once. There was a season where I lost my job, my relationship ended, and I questioned everything I thought I knew about myself, all within the same year. At the time, I thought it was the end. I thought I had made every wrong choice. But looking back, that year stripped away everything that wasn't serving me. It forced me to rebuild from the foundation up. And everything I have now, the clarity, the purpose, the peace, none of it would exist without that breaking point. It wasn't the end, it was the beginning. If this resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it right now. And drop a word in the comments. What's the worst thing that turned out to be the best thing? I read every single one. Subscribe, because everything is happening for you.